Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add checkboxes and Google Sheets. Checkboxes is usually used when you want to add for example a daily schedule or a to-do list, and then you want to check mark if something is done or if a task is done, and I'm going to show you how you can do that in Google Sheets. So here I have days and then to-do list. This is go to A, B, C, and then after G. And if you want to add the checkbox, you can just block the data that you want to add checkbox, and then go to insert and find checkbox. Click on this, and after that the checkbox will be added in the cells that you selected before. And if you want to check it's like, for example, day one is done, just click on the check here and it will go like that. Okay guys, so that's the easiest way to add checkboxes in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think that this video is helpful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you all in the next following videos. Bye!